Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's videos we are going to solve one of the important questions related to triangles. Let's start. In the question it is given that in the given figure PA, QB, RC is perpendicular to AC such that PA equal to X, RC equal to Y, QB equal to Z, AB equal to A, BC equal to B. You need to prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Since it is given that PA perpendicular to AC, QB perpendicular to AC. So this implies PA parallel to QB. PA parallel to QB, it means triangle QBC similar to triangle PAC. Since we know that two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So you can write QB by PA equal to BC by AC. This implies QB value is given that Z. Z by PA is X. Z by X equal to BC is B and AC is A plus B. This is first equation. Now also it is given that QB is perpendicular to AC. Also RC is perpendicular to AC. If QB is perpendicular to AC, RC is perpendicular to AC, this implies QB is parallel to RC. So triangle QAB similar to triangle RAC. Since two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So you can write QB by RC equal to AB by AC. This implies QB value is Z, RC is Y, Z by Y equal to AB is A and AC is A plus B. This is equation 2. Now add 1 and 2. If you add 1 plus 2, we will get Z by X plus Z by Y equal to B by A plus B plus A by A plus B. This implies if you take Z common, it will be 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to here. If you take AB is LCM, it will be A plus B. So it will be cancelled, this equal to 1. This implies 1 by X plus 1 by Y equal to 1 by Z. Hence, we proved the result. Thanks for watching this video.